Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. As you can see, we're going to be doing our second account budget for the month of August. And we've got a lot of things to kind of get set up and get situated. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you all in just 1 minute. Okay, so here's what we have to work with. 1178, and we have first up business. That gets $55. Student loans gets $55. Student loans are supposed to start back up in September, so we'll see if that actually happens or what goes on from there. Banfield is getting $30. Sinking funds is getting $289, and I increased one of my sinking funds and I don't remember why. I hope I wrote it down somewhere. Lawn is getting $60. Visa is getting $275. Amazon Music gets $10. Date, ooh, I increased date, gets $124. Security gets $60. House gets $10. Car emergency gets $10. New car gets $5. Student loans gets $20. And car wash gets $15. Oh, I need to go wash my car. Car maintenance gets $70. Annual gets $50. Cushion gets $10. And then we take out $30 for trash. Trash gets $30. Alright, so that should equal 1178. Let's go ahead and add that all up. So 55 plus 55 plus 30 plus 289 plus 60 plus 275 plus 10 plus 124 plus 60 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 70 plus 50 plus 10 plus 30. 1178. Perfect. 0 left over. All right. Now we have to pull out sinking funds, car emergency, new car, student loans, and trash. Now let's make sure that's everybody. Oh, wait. Oh, I put the wrong one for student loans. Okay, it's this student loans. Okay. So let's add up how much those should be total that needed to be pulled out. Clear. So that's actually starting here with sinking funds at 289 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 and plus 30. Perfect. And that came out to 354. And let's make sure, I already went to the bank, so let's make sure I've got the right amount out. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 51, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So 354. Let's divide these up. You know what though? I didn't take out my $55 for business, so I still need to get out $55 from the bank. That's what I was missing. I'm really glad I sat back and took a look at this because I was like, something is not adding up here. But that's what it is. So, all right, well, we'll just work with what we've got since the business needs to go put to the side anyway. So, 289. I don't think I have 289. Well, we might as well, and I haven't been on here for too long. I might as well go ahead and start making a little bit of change. Just because I know I'm going to need to make change. Let me see if this is where I redid my envelopes. No, they're not in here. I don't know why they're not in there. They should be, actually. Yeah, I redid my envelopes and put them into different categories. So now they're a little bit easier to deal with. Let's see if we've got change in here. Looks like we've got something that might be useful. This is 2022. No, this is 2024. Okay. Let's see what we've got. I don't know how much this is though, so I might not be able to actually make any change. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Perfect. Actually just trade out a 20 and there we go. And I don't actually think I'll make any more change. For now, I think I'll worry about needing to make change when I do these envelopes. Because I don't like to change out too much at once, because as you all know, I get confused. So therefore, in order to keep myself, to decrease the chances of me being confused, it is better for me to just take this route. All right, so what do we need to pull out? We need 289 for sinking funds. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then just make sure that's right. I'm going to recount it. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, and hold on, let me make sure these are in order. There we go. 20, 40, 60, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Perfect. So there's sinking funds. I'll set that to the side. So you know we're going to do a sinking funds. And then we have, what time is this? 7? Okay. So honestly, what I think I'll do is 5 for that one, 20 for that one, and 30. Perfect. Okay. We have all the right ones. All right, we're going to come back and I'm going to actually do the cash stuffing for the rest of these, and then we'll do our sinking funds in the next one. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you are having a great summer. I hope you're having a great day. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and I will see you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.